What's up, Car Rev 3 fam? Today, we're checking out something wild straight from Ford, the 2026 Mustang RTR, a legit factory-built special tuned by Vaughn, Gittin Jr. and RTR vehicles. This isn't your average EcoBoost Mustang. It's the first one straight from Ford to come out ready to slide, shred, and show off serious attitude right off the lot. Under the hood, Ford ditched the old setup and dropped in a 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost that pumps out 315 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. But here's the kicker. With the optional Ford Performance Tune, you're looking at up to 350 horsepower and 400 pound-feet while keeping your factory warranty. That's pretty sweet. And the RTR borrows gear from the GT and Dark Horse. Think upgraded suspension, bigger Brembo brakes, anti-roll bars, and tighter steering. It even packs a race-inspired anti-lag system, borrowed straight from Ford's GT race cars, so you've got instant boost whenever you hit it. Now, this RTR is automatic only with a 10-speed gearbox, but it's quick to shift and tuned for performance. Plus, you've got Ford's electronic drift brake, track mode tuning, and a more aggressive steering rack. Translation, it's ready to get sideways. Looks-wise, this thing stands out. Up front, it rocks that aggressive GT-style bumper, those wild illuminated nostrils, and fresh RTR graphics running across the body. It sits on 19-inch wheels with tarnished dark anodized trim and optional Hyperlime accents on the brakes and stitching. Out? Back, there's a GT Performance Pack spoiler that just ties the whole look together. Inside, Ford gave it real personality. Hyperlime contrast stitching, RTR-branded sill plates, and a serialized dash plaque. You even get a slick digital startup animation unique to the RTR when you open the door or start the engine. It's small touches like that that make it feel special. Now, the big question, what's the damage to your wallet? The 2026 Mustang RTR starts around $42,000, and with the full performance package, you're looking at roughly $46,000. That's not bad for something that gives you GT-level attitude, killer looks, and serious drift-ready fun, all without going full V8. The bottom line? The 2026 Mustang RTR is Ford's way of saying you don't need 8 cylinders to have fun. It's loud, sharp, and built to move, whether you're at the track or just lighting up your local car meet. If you're into quick, no-fluff reviews that actually get to the good stuff, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and join the Car Rev 3 fam, where we break down every new ride in under 3 minutes flat.